G'day guys, James here. Today in this video I'm going to be giving you a review on long haul trailers box trailer. Now what you'll see in this video is the trailer being used, and I'll come back, I'll show you through some of the functions, some of the features, look at some of the build quality, and then I'll tell you how I think it's performed. Alright, let's take a look. The good thing about the trailer is not only is it used for things like moving and stuff like that, I've been using it for some of this heavy equipment. So I've got the little ride-on mower here that I'm about to unload. I'm also going to be picking up some soil and stuff over the next few days, so it's quite versatile, good all-rounder. Liked about this unit is that fold down tailgate at the back, just for access to getting in and out is really quite handy. The only thing it struggles with a little bit is when you've got machinery and things like this. I had the trailer jacked up a little bit, so it's now a little bit too high, so it just causes a little bit of a point where things can get sort of caught on that lip. So I just have to pack that bottom up a little bit, or maybe get some custom ramps made up for longer things like, you know, lawn mowers or bobcats or whatever you put in the back there. Now taking a closer look at this front end, you've got a 100 by 50 box section that runs through underneath, all plated and all stamped with all the specifications on what they can carry, the size, all the specifications there. Manufacturer, model, date of manufacture, all that stuff comes with it. With your actual hitch, you've got your standard hitch, brake, locks on, chains with D-bolts, and on the other side we've got the jockey wheel as well. Now with the brake there's some adjustment inside here, I'll show you that you can play around with if need be. But what I also like with this, with your actual pin that goes to the lights, they've made up a little section in there where they've welded that on, so you can actually just drop that in and that keeps it up off the ground. And the good thing about that, if you don't have that, what tends to happen is this just drops down in the ground and all your pins get covered in dirt and crap and it doesn't last too long. So nice little feature that they've thought of. Okay, so there you go guys, there's some of the functions of the trailer and how it all works. Now I'll take a little bit of a closer look, we'll get underneath and I'll show you how the build quality is, how it's all put together, and I'll come back and tell you my thoughts on the actual overall trailer and my experience. Let's take a look. So along with the spare tyre, they've got a bit of checker plate welded across the front here, which I quite like. Double-sided, so there's another plate underneath and there's holes welded in there. So if you ever want to put a bracket or something across, you can make something up for carrying toolboxes or something that might just sit in there and you can bolt that into place. Everything's holding up beautifully. There's no rust or surface rust coming through. It's all fully galvanized and all the welds are holding together really well. You can see all these welds. These are all very good. There's no cracks in them. Nice solid welds, no rust. Very sturdy body all the way through. Alright, there you go guys. That's my review of the 10x5 box trailer by Long Haul. Now they come in all different shapes and sizes. You can get with ladder racks, without, toolboxes, smaller, larger, single axle, double axle. Now the reason I put the video together, it's not a paid video, it's not sponsored, I actually purchased the trailer myself. Just to give you guys a bit more information for when you're looking around. I know when I was looking around there's a lot of written reviews online, but there weren't a lot of videos actually showing the trailer in detail. So it was quite affordable and I wanted to see exactly what you get for that price. So I'm a bit worried that sometimes you get what you pay for, but in saying that, I think the guys leverage getting parts of the trailer manufactured overseas and then they assemble and put it together here in Australia. And in saying that, it's gone together nicely. Like I can't see any loose nuts, bolts, everything works really well. All the welds in it are really top quality. There's no cracks, there's no breaking in the welds, there's no cracks in the galvanization. It's really a solid little trailer, so quite happy with it. So there you go. Hopefully it helps you guys if you're trying to make a decision or looking around, but can't recommend enough. Very happy with it. All right, thanks guys. If you like the video, give it the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll catch you next time.